Turn on power switch. Turn on the light. Connect oil pump power cord. Connect oil pump pipe. Prepare ingredients. Preparation depth setting oil volume. Hold push for oil. Set oil volume. Constant temperature mode. Turn on push for oil. Start oil filling. Pour corn and sugar into the kettle. Turn on agitator and kettle heat. Wait for popping. After popping finished, transfer popcorn to the sieve. Turn on conditioner. Turn on water injection. Start water filling. Push kettle heat and agitator. Pour out the water after cleaning.